Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's build a memory game using React. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, explaining each component and concept along the way. We'll cover state management, component interactions, and basic styling to make the game functional and visually appealing. Project setup *. 1. Create a new React app *. Open your terminal and navigate to the directory where you want to create your project. Then, run the following command. This command uses create React app to generate a basic React project structure. 2. Project structure *. After the command finishes, you'll have the following structure. 3. Cleanup, optional. You can clean up the src directory by removing the unnecessary files, logo.svg, app.test.js, setuptests.js. Then, modify app.js and index.js to have a clean starting point. Coding the memory game *. 1. src/app.js, main component. 2. src/components/card.js, card component. Create a new file src/components/card.js with the following content. 3. Styling, src/app.css. Add some basic styling to src/app.css. 4. Styling, src/components/card.css. Create a new file src/components/card.css and add styles. 5. Image assets. Create an img directory in your public folder. The card images array in app.js assumes you have the following images inside. */public/img/helmet1.png */public/img/potion1.png */public/img/ring1.png */public/img/scroll1.png */public/img/shield1.png */public/img/sword1.png */public/img/cover.png, the back of the card. You can find suitable images online, or use placeholder images. Explanation ***. **app.js, main component. * uses state hooks **. Cards, an array to hold the card data. Each card object will have an src, image source, an ID, unique identifier, and a matched property, boolean indicating if the card has been matched. * turns, a number representing the number of turns the player has taken. * choice 1 and choice 2, store the card objects that the user has selected for comparison. They are initialized to null. * disabled, a boolean to disable clicking during the comparison phase. * card images array *. This array holds the image sources for the cards. Important * ensure these paths are correct relative to your public directory. * shuffle cards function * creates a duplicate array of card images to make pairs for the game. * shuffles the cards randomly using sort equals math.random, 0.5. * maps over the shuffled cards and adds a unique ID property to each card object using math.random. This is crucial for React to efficiently update the component. * resets the choice 1, choice 2, and the number of turns. * finally, it updates the card state with the shuffled cards. * handle choice function *. This function is called when the user clicks on a card. It updates either choice 1 or choice 2 based on whether the user has already made a first choice. * use effect hook, card comparison. * this use effect hook runs whenever choice 1 or choice 2 change. It effectively performs the comparison logic. Asterisk it first checks if both choice 1 and choice 2 have been selected. Asterisk if they are both selected, it disables further clicking by setting disabled to true. Asterisk it compares the src properties of choice 1 and choice 2. Asterisk if they match, the setCards function is called with the map to change the matched value to true. Asterisk if they don't match, it sets a timeout to reset the choices after 1 second, providing a brief pause for the user to see the cards. Asterisk reset turn function asterisk. Asterisk resets choice 1 and choice 2 to null to allow the user to make new choices. Asterisk increments the turns counter. Asterisk re-enables clicking by setting disabled to false. Asterisk use effect hook, initial shuffle. Asterisk this use effect hook runs only once when the component mounts, the empty dependency array ensures this. Asterisk it calls the shuffle cards function to start the game with a shuffled deck. Asterisk JSX structure asterisk. Asterisk renders the memory game heading. Asterisk renders a new game button that calls the shuffle cards function. Asterisk renders the card grid container, which uses CSS grid to arrange the cards in a grid layout. Asterisk uses the map function to iterate over the cards array and render a card component for each card. Asterisk passes the necessary props to the card component. Asterisk card, the card object. Asterisk handle choice, the handle choice function. Asterisk flipped, a boolean indicating whether the card should be flipped, revealed. It's true if the card is either choice 1, choice 2, or has been matched. Asterisk disabled, indicates if clicking should be disabled. Asterisk displays the current turns count. Asterisk card.js, card component. Asterisk props asterisk receives card, handle choice, flipped and disabled as props. Asterisk handle click function asterisk this function is called when the back of the card is clicked. It calls the handle choice function passed down from the parent, app.js, passing the current card object. It also prevents the click if disabled is true. Asterisk JSX structure asterisk. Asterisk renders a div with the class name card. Asterisk the inner div contains two images. Asterisk front, the image of the card, revealed when flipped. Its src comes from card.src. Asterisk back, the back image of the card, initially visible. Its src is hard-coded to /img/cover.png. Asterisk the class name of the inner div is dynamically set to flipped if the flipped prop is true, otherwise it's an empty string. This class name is used to apply CSS styles that rotate the card to reveal the front. Asterisk the onClick event of the back image calls the handle click function. Asterisk CSS asterisk. Asterisk the CSS provides basic styling for the layout, card appearance, and flip animation. The key part is the transform, rotate Y, 90 degrees, and transform, rotate Y, 0 degrees, properties, combined with transition, to create the flip effect. How to run the game asterisk. 1. Start the development server asterisk. In your terminal, run the following command. This will start the React development server and open the game in your browser, usually at http://localhost 3000. Key concepts asterisk. Asterisk state management, useState React's useState hook is essential for managing the game state, such as the card data, turn count, selected cards, and disabled state. When the state changes, React re-renders the components that depend on that state. Asterisk component composition asterisk the game is broken down into two components, app, the main game component, and card, a reusable component for each card. This makes the code more organized and maintainable. Props props are used to pass data from parent components, app, to child components, card. This is how the card component receives the card data, the handle choice function, and the flipped status. Event handling the onClick event is used to detect when a card is clicked. The handle click function is called when the event occurs, triggering the game logic. Conditional rendering the flipped prop is used to conditionally apply the flipped class name to the card, which determines whether the card is revealed or hidden. Use effect hook the use effect hook is used to perform side effects, such as shuffling the cards when the component mounts and comparing the selected cards when they change. It's important to use the dependency array correctly, example choice 1, choice 2, to ensure that the effect only runs when the specified dependencies change. Enhancements and further development difficulty levels allow the user to select a difficulty level by changing the number of cards in the game. Timer add a timer to track how long it takes the user to complete the game. Score implement a scoring system based on the number of turns and / or the time taken to complete the game. Animations add more sophisticated animations for card flipping, matching, and winning. Responsive design make the game responsive so that it looks good on different screen sizes. Accessibility ensure the game is accessible to users with disabilities by using appropriate ARIA attributes and semantic HTML. Sound effects add sound effects for card flipping, matching, and winning. Local storage persist the game state using local storage so the user can continue the game later. This comprehensive tutorial should get you started on building your own memory game in React. Remember to experiment, explore, and have fun while you're learning. Good luck.